Hey, I wanted to show you something I noticed about Canva's background remover that I did not know before. And that is once something has had the background removed, that other edits are also possible where you can fine tune the background remover just in case the background that you wanted to get rid of doesn't completely disappear, which I've had happen before. I didn't know that I could continue to edit it so that they're completely gone. So I'm going to show you, I'm just working on a thumbnail here. And here's the picture of me. I am going to just make it a bit bigger. And I used to have this background behind me, so I'm going to remove it. But as you can see right here in my glasses, I'm going to just bring it down so that when I go in and zoom, you'll be able to see better. But the background didn't completely disappear here. So I'm going to actually click on background remover and I can continue to make edits with the brush. What? This might not be new, but it's new to me, so I wanted to share it with you. So I'm zooming in so I can see a bit better. And just like with the Magic Eraser, which is on Canva Pro, with background remover, it looks like you can now just take this brush. I'm going to bring it down, make it smaller so that it can be more precise for me. And I'm going to just click where I want stuff to disappear. And as you can see, when you click, it like immediately goes away. Like there's something right there, right by my cheek. Click it and it's gone. So easy. Look at that. So precise. I had no idea about that, you guys. Did you know that? Let me know in the comments. But if not, I hope you are as delightfully pleased as I am. Talk to you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.